So good morning and welcome back to the channel. It is week 5, can't believe it, of getting back into running, a routine, all that. It's just after 6 and I wanted to get a nice early run in to kickstart my week, my day. I didn't realize it was going to be so muggy. It is pretty intense, but the sun's not beaming down on me, and that's what I did not think I could handle today to start the week out.
Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, and I don't have to go to work today, so I decided I would roll out of bed and go for a run early in the morning before it gets hot. But it's already hot, and it's just a little after 6. But anyways, a fantastic run. Again, another mile and a quarter, I guess. But good news is these mile runs are becoming very easy for me. So that's what I hoped would happen, probably a little bit sooner than now, but now they're getting very easy to run 1 mile. So now that I can start extending every run that I do going forward. Okay. I don't have my glasses on or my contacts, and I saw some stuff in the field here, but they're moving now. They're dogs, a bunch of them. So anyways, so yeah, a really good morning. I'm glad I rolled out of bed and did it. I do not like doing this. I like going a little bit later in the morning or in the afternoon when I've been up and kind of loosened up, but this felt great. So now I think I'm fixing to head back home, shower, and try to get some coffee and recover. This is by far the hottest day so far that I've ran since we started this. It is awful, but I did not want to sit around in the house and wait until later on this evening to go run. That's what Samantha's going to do. I elected to go now while she walks the dog, but not a good run, kind of a setback from what I've been doing. But you know, I tried to hydrate myself today. Unfortunately, I didn't have much to eat, so that's on me there. But anyways, I'm fine with the 3/4 of a mile that I got, just a little tad bit over, and I'll take that into tomorrow. I think I'm gonna run again tomorrow, try to make up for today. But not too bad. And then we'll come back out later this evening, and Samantha she'll be running.
All right, guys, I got 3 miles in. Waited till 7:30 to run, and it's like a sweat box out here. It's humid. The only thing, the sun wasn't beating down, and I had to run after dinner, which I try to keep it pretty light just for that fact, but that's hard. Even though it was a slower pace, it was a little bit more challenging, but I'm trying to just slowly up those miles, and I felt really good today, but that run was a little bit harder than I expected today, but it's fine. Got it done. Did you get any more run in? Yeah. What'd you get?
I don't remember if I got a half a mile or 3/4 of a mile, and then stopped, and then ran another 1/4 of a mile.
Okay.
So I either got 1 mile or 3/4 of a mile. Who knows?
We'll see. Good morning, guys, and happy Sunday. I am here at the track about to get a 4-mile run in. It's early and I'm tired, but I'm trying to get this run in before the humidity actually ruins me. So here's to a nice, easy 4-mile run. Alrighty, I got 4 miles in and the sun really just started coming out, and it's honestly not humid yet. Would have been a great day for Wade to be able to get a run in, because honestly he's ran in nothing but humid, hot, sun beating weather this week, and that, and his work schedule has changed, and I think it's just been a lot, and he's having to work in a little while, so he just wanted to sleep in just a little bit. But he said he would try to get a run in later. It just depends on how work goes today, and how long he has to be there. So if he doesn't run, that'll be the end of the video. I'm just gonna sign off here, but if he does, I will pop the clip in right after this. So thank you guys for following along. It was a really good week for me, and I feel very motivated and excited. So thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.